So, you know the AI giants, right? ChatGPT, Gemini, they're everywhere. But what if I told you there's a new competitor, one backed by SpaceX that's moving at, well, let's call it warp speed. That's Grok. And today we're giving you a complete, step-by-step guide for mastering it in 2026.
But before we get into the nitty-gritty, you've got to understand the philosophy behind this thing. The mission of its developer, xAI, is, well, it's massive. It's simply to understand the universe. So yeah, this isn't just another chatbot. It's a tool designed to help us tackle the biggest questions out there, which really sets a cosmic theme for our whole journey today.
And speaking of cosmic, here's the piece of news that changes everything and frames this entire guide. As of February 2026, Grok is officially a part of SpaceX. The whole goal here is to accelerate humanity's future. And, a move like this totally changes the game for where this tech is headed.
So here's our game plan. First, we're going to meet Grok and see what really makes it unique, especially now that it's under the SpaceX umbrella. Then, we'll dive right into your first conversation, unlock its most powerful features, see how to turn a simple idea into a real project, and finally, we'll take a look into its pretty incredible cosmic future. All right, so what actually makes Grok different? Honestly, it really boils down to one key advantage its competitors just don't have: direct, real-time access to that massive fire hose of information on the X platform. This gives it a totally unparalleled edge in understanding what's happening in the world right as it happens.
Let's break down its core strengths. That real-time info from X, that means you're getting insights from conversations that are happening right now. It also has fewer hangups on image generation, which unlocks a ton of creative freedom. And when you pair that with a super smooth, intuitive interface and a really generous set of features for free users, you've got yourself a seriously powerful and accessible tool.
Okay, let's get hands-on and walk through your first conversation. We're going to cover the different models, the pricing, and basically everything you need to know to get started.
So, what are your options? Well, the free plan gets you started with the Grok 3 model, which is pretty capable. But for $30 a month, Super Grok is a huge leap. It unlocks Grok 4's advanced reasoning for really complex topics, and it also boosts the AI's context memory, which is basically its ability to remember all the details of your conversation. That means you can have much longer, more in-depth chats. Then, for the true power users, the Super Grok Heavy plan offers the absolute highest access limits you can get.
What's really cool is that Grok gives you a ton of control over its tone. If an answer is way too long or super formal, you can just ask it to explain things more simply. Or even better, you can dive into custom instructions and permanently set the personality you want it to have, whether that's concise, casual, or something totally unique to you.
Now this is where Grok starts to feel like a real digital assistant. You can upload files directly. For example, you can give it a 25-page PDF and ask for a quick summary, and it'll spit out the key takeaways in seconds. You can also upload images, give it a travel photo, and it can often figure out the exact location. It's not just reading text, it's actually analyzing your content.
Okay, with the basics covered, let's unlock the features that are built for serious, complex work: deep search and think mode. This is really where Grok goes from a simple chatbot to a powerful partner for research and problem solving.
So Deep Search doesn't just hand you a list of links. No, it actively searches across the web and the entire X platform, gathers all that info, finds the points that contradict each other, and then pulls it all together into a single structured report for you. Think of it like a research synthesizer.
And this feature actually comes in two flavors. Deep Search is fast. It gives you a great overview in about a minute. But if you need to go, well, deeper search will take more time, maybe around 5 minutes, to dig up more sources, prioritize the high-quality ones, and give you a much more in-depth analysis. The trade-off is pretty clear: speed for a quick summary, or a little more time for a truly comprehensive report.
So here's the most effective way to use this. Always start with the standard deep search to get that quick overview. Read through it. If you realize, okay, I need more depth here, or maybe more sources for an academic paper or a technical analysis, that's your cue to hit deeper search, and just let Grok do all the heavy lifting for you.
Now let's talk about think mode. This is built for problems that just can't be solved in one go. Things like complex math problems, financial planning calculations, or really deep data analysis. When you switch on think mode, Grok actually shows you its step-by-step reasoning, so you can follow its logic and actually trust the final answer.
All right, let's see how all these tools come together to help you actually create something new. We're shifting from just analyzing stuff to creating it, using Grok to make images, write code, and organize the whole thing into a finished project.
Grok's image creation is just incredibly versatile. You can, of course, make images from text prompts, but you can also upload your own photos and ask it to make them better. For instance, you can take a plain photo of a burger on a white background and ask Grok to turn it into a professional, eye-catching ad. It even gives you style suggestions to help you get that perfect look.
And the same idea applies to coding. Just look at this prompt a user gave Grok. It's not complicated code, it's just plain English. They asked for a simple loan calculator with payments and a chart. It's so conversational and just really straightforward.
And here's what it came up with. From that one simple prompt, Grok generated all the code it needed: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And it didn't just dump a wall of code on you, it gave you a live, interactive preview right there in the chat, and a file you could download. It built a fully functional web page from a single sentence. It's just wild.
So you're creating all this great stuff, reports, images, code. How do you keep it all organized? Well, that's exactly what the Projects feature is for. It's like a dedicated workspace where you can group everything related to one single task. It remembers the context of your conversations and lets you set custom instructions just for that project, making sure Grok is always on the same page with what you're working on.
With all this power at your fingertips, you can't help but wonder what's next. I mean, this thing is backed by SpaceX and its mission to understand the universe. The development is moving at an incredible pace, and they have a seriously ambitious roadmap for the near future.
Just look at this timeline. August is going to bring a major update to the coding model. In September, a more advanced multimodal agent, which means it'll understand text, images, and audio all at once. And then by October, we're talking state-of-the-art video generation. The pace of innovation here is just relentless.
So yeah, Grok is clearly more than just a tool for your daily tasks. It's now part of a company that's literally aiming for the stars. And as this technology keeps evolving, it really pushes all of us to think bigger. When an AI that was built to understand the universe is in everyone's hands, what are the questions we haven't even thought to ask yet?